The university has two priority research areas, evidence-based learning and health awareness in society, including nutrition, physical activity, patient safety and health technologies. Postgraduate students will have the opportunity to make a significant contribution to the development of the discipline through collaborative work with various research groups at the university.
Tartu Applied Health Sciences University is known for its high academic standards and very high level of hands-on experience. So the students here get a very strong foundation when entering the job market.
Our university provides an international program, so don't worry about if you don't speak Estonia, for example. You can easily learn in English, and I promise that most of the people outside the university speak also English quite fluently.
I don't know if people outside of Estonia know this, but Tartu is actually the second largest city in Estonia, and it is well known as the university city. It has a very rich culture and history.
Our studies are combined so that part of the studies are here at the university, and part of the lectures are, for example, you can be at home.
If you are looking to deepen your knowledge, refine advanced skills and grow as a professional in musculoskeletal physiotherapy, our program is for you. With a holistic approach, you will explore evidence-based methods to deliver high-quality care. As a University of Applied Sciences, we value practical training, ensuring real-world application and community engagement. You will also develop research and publishing skills while leveraging artificial intelligence and digital technologies. We aim to empower you as an advocate for diverse communities and challenge you to think critically as the profession evolves with shifting healthcare paradigm.
You should come learning to Estonia to enjoy our environment, our nature, stillness, and I can tell that Estonian people give you a lot of privacy.
Come visit not only Estonia but Tartu and be a part of the city of good thoughts.